They access them through edpuzzle.com. This website allows for me to upload my videos directly from YouTube, which makes it easy and convenient to use. So this is what it'll look like from the teacher's end. If you see, here I put all the dates when the videos are due, so it's very easy for the students to know when their homework or when the videos are due and when they need to be watched by. Let me show you what one of my They access them through edpuzzle.com. This website allows for me to upload my videos directly from YouTube, which makes it easy and convenient to use. Here's how the teacher will view the website. As you can see, it makes it very easy to show when each due date is for the videos. And I like to upload my videos at the very beginning of each chapter so that the students can plan out their time and can plan ahead if they need to. If they know that there is a big project due, they can go ahead and plan around my homework so that they can complete both at the same time. Now, they access them through edpuzzle.com. This website allows for me to upload my video. They access them through edpuzzle.com. This website allows me to upload my videos directly from YouTube, which makes it easy and convenient to use. Here's how the teacher will view the website. As you can see, it makes it very easy for me to add due dates for each video so that each student can plan ahead for the chapter. I also upload all the videos for each chapter at one point. They access them through edpuzzle.com. This website allows me to upload my videos directly from YouTube, which makes it easy and convenient to use. Here's how the teacher will view the website. As you can see, I'm able to put due dates for each video. This allows for students to know exactly when each video needs to be watched, and it also allows for them to plan their time ahead. I like to put every video for each chapter out there at once. They access them through edpuzzle.com. This website allows me to upload my videos directly from YouTube, which makes it easy and convenient to use. Here's how the teacher they access them through edpuzzle.com. This website allows me to upload my videos directly from YouTube, which makes it easy and convenient to use. Here's how the teacher will view the website. As you can see, it makes it easy for me to add due dates for each video as well. This allows for the students to know what they access them through edpuzzle.com. This website allows me to upload my videos directly from YouTube, which makes it easy and convenient to use. Here's how the teacher will view the website. As you can see, I can put due dates for each video that allows the students to know exactly when they're due and to plan ahead if need be. Here is what one of my videos may look like. All right, now we're going to move on to the next section, and this is section E, and it's called factorizing expressions with four terms. Right? We're going to refer to this as factor by grouping. Right? Now, the one key thing I want to make sure that you guys understand is when you're going to do factor by grouping, the important thing is that it needs to have four terms. Right? So whenever you have a problem with four terms, the very first way, so whenever you have a problem with four terms, the very first way you should try to factor, or that you're going to try and factor, is factor by grouping. All right, so that's how we know that we are going to use this method, is whenever we have four terms. All right, so before we get into actually doing a problem with factor by grouping, I want to go through and just show you how we can do this. Right, so remember, whenever we factor, that's where we're starting with our problem after we multiplied or after we would have multiplied it, and we're undoing it to see what do we multiply to get together. So if I give you this problem here, x plus 2 times x minus 3, and if you went to multiply this, the first thing you would do is you would distribute the x into this x minus 3. So without actually doing the multiplication, it would look like this, because we would then multiply the x through, and then we would distribute this 2 into the x minus 3, so it would then be plus 2 times x minus 3. So the reason why I wanted to do it this way, showing you what it looks like when we're multiplying through, is when we're factor by grouping, remember, we're working in reverse. So that's as if we were starting with the problem, x squared minus x minus 6, and we're trying to figure out, okay, what did we multiply together? Well, when we're factor by grouping, we have to have this here where it shows a term being multiplied by a binomial and then another term being multiplied by the same binomial. So this is what our goal is when we're factor by grouping. Our goal is to go ahead and create this where we have the same binomial that's being multiplied by two different terms. And once we identify that, then we can finish our factoring where we take the same binomial and we rewrite it, and we only rewrite it once. And then we take the two terms that were being multiplied to it, and they get written in their own binomial. Right? That is our steps for factor by grouping. All right, now let's just go ahead and do some problems with this. But remember, the key thing is four terms. Four terms, four terms, four terms. All right? We look for this when we have four terms. All right, now let's go ahead and do this. Now, one, the directions tell us to factor by grouping, but we would know that we need to factor by grouping with this anyway because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. All right, so that lets us know. Now, the good thing about this website is when you make your videos, you can make it so you can lock the video so the students can't skip ahead. Now, they can skip backwards and they can always skip forward up to where they watched, but they can't go any further than what they already unlocked. So that makes it very good for on the teacher's end. The PD that I took for flipping my classroom suggested that you make most of your videos you assign to your students and make them as quick and brief as possible. All right, we look for this when we have 4 terms. All right, now let's go ahead and do this. Now, one, the directions tell us to factor by grouping, but we would know that we need to factor by grouping with this anyway because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. All right. The one good thing about this website is it blocks you from skipping along. So the students can only rewind and fast forward based on what they have already previously watched and unlocked. So it makes it a very nice tool for the teachers. The PD that I took for flipping my classroom suggested that you make most of the videos yourself and that you make the videos as quick and as brief as possible. So you see this video is only 9 minutes and 20 seconds long. The shorter the video, the higher chance you have of getting everyone to watch the video on time. As you see, the green question marks, this actually allows you to embed questions into the video so that you can assess whether or not the class is understanding the information. It gives you great feedback for what maybe you need to start your next class with. Now let me show you some of the tools that this has for teachers. So if you click here on the Progress tab, you can see who watched the video, when they watched the video, and whether or not it was on time. It also tells you each student's individual scores if you have questions embedded. So these students here got a 50 out of 100 or 1 out of 2, and these students answered them all correctly. You can also click on the Questions tab, and it lets you evaluate the class as a whole. So if I were to look at this, seeing that 22 out of 25 students answer this question correctly, I wouldn't need to start my next class with this video or really go over it because the majority are getting it. We don't need to waste our time going over a problem that they all are getting. This one, 16 out of 25, I would cover, and I would go through this with the class. You can also download a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet by clicking this Export button, and that will give you the information spelled out for you here so you can analyze it even more if you'd like to. Now let me show you what my class may look like on any given day if you were to walk in it.